Hello, my name is Amanda Brown. I'm the Director of Patient Services here at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And if you're reaching this video, it's safe to say that you're looking for a solution for leakage, also known as urinary incontinence. Well, we're here to help. We offer a natural approach to leakage, and the first step would be to give me a call. Speak with one of the liaisons here at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. We want to be able to learn exactly what's going on so that we can get all of this information over to the doctor. After that, we would schedule you a complimentary consultation to discuss this personally with Dr. Carrozzella, and then he would be able to give you options on natural ways to achieve the result that you're looking for. We do have Viveve treatments here, which is natural, which is going to build that collagen within the vaginal area. We also have the Intone, which is going to strengthen up the muscles. It's a treatment you do at home with biofeedback. And then we also have the O-Shot, which is a natural filler that pretty much helps tighten up that vaginal wall as well. So we definitely look forward to hearing from you. You are calling a safe zone, so please reach out to me so that we can learn more and how we can get this taken care of for you.